Central Luzon Adventist Academy, our home away from home, located in the picturesque Bodega Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Here, students flourish in a nurturing environment dedicated to their growth and development. Our mission is to push boundaries and equip students through intensive, intentional training programs aligned with the Adventist International Educational System. At CLAA, we prioritize a healthy lifestyle, surrounded by mountains and farmland. Our campus enjoys clean water and fresh air, creating the perfect backdrop for personal growth. Our approach to meeting the four-dimensional needs of our students is comprehensive. First, we emphasize spirituality. Each student is encouraged to develop their faith through purposeful spiritual initiatives, making our school a beacon of light in the community. They have the opportunity to discover new talents within the church and receive guidance on maintaining reverence during worship, as well as developing the habit of prayer. One of the key initiatives at CLAA is the Pathfinder Ministry. Students get discipline and training. The children are taught patriotism, Christian service, and Christian character. They take pleasure in taking part in the tactical inspection and camping activities. These youngsters are being prepared to lead our church in the future. Next, we focus on the physical well-being of our students. We provide ample space for physical activities, encouraging them to engage in sports they love, such as basketball, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, sepak takraw, and various board games, all contributing to a healthier lifestyle. The social dimension is equally important. Living on campus, our students forge lasting friendships with their peers, dorm mates, and classmates. This environment fosters adaptability and empathy, allowing them to navigate various social situations gracefully. Finally, we address the mental aspect through our Christ-centered curriculum, which ensures a quality education that shapes both minds and hearts for a future in service. At CLAA, we strive for excellence in academics and character development, preparing students for a life of purpose on this earth and beyond. We believe that CLAA was established by God to help students succeed in their chosen careers and spiritual lives, equipping them to serve until the return of Jesus. Choose CLAA, where we promote holistic education and prepare students for meaningful contributions to society and their faith. Join us at CLAA, where a journey of growth, purpose, and faith awaits. Experience the difference at our school with a commitment to excellence in education and character development. Embark on a transformative journey toward becoming well-rounded individuals prepared for the earth made new. Together, let's lead the way to Jesus.